In this video, we will see how we can write a C program in order to say whether the number entered by the user is a positive number, negative number, or 0. So here what I have done is I have created the main function, and then I have declared a variable called as number, and then I have used the printf function in order to ask the user to enter the number, and then I have used the scanf function and I have read the number entered by the user and I have stored that in this number variable. So now what we have to do is we have to say whether this number entered by the user, whether it is positive, negative, or 0. For that we will use the if, else if, and else, and here we will have if, and first we will check whether the number entered by the user is a positive number. So it will be number greater than 0. So we are checking whether the value present in this number variable is greater than 0. If it is true, then it means that the number entered by the user is a positive number. So here I will have the printf statement and I will say %d is a positive number. Now this is for the number which is greater than 0. Now what if the user is going to enter a number which is less than 0? For that we will have the else if block. So here we will have the condition as if the number is containing a value which is less than 0. In that case, it means that the number entered by the user is a negative number. So we will display that here. We will say %d is a negative number. Now here for this placeholder %d, we have to provide the value, and that will be the value present in this number variable. Now here this else if condition is checked only if the if condition fails. If the if condition is true, then the else if condition will not be checked. Now the next thing is we will have the else block. What if both of these conditions are not true? Number is not greater than 0 and it is not less than 0. It means that the number is 0. For that we will have the else block. We will use the printf statement and we will say %d is 0. And then we will refer the number variable. Okay, a simple program that we have written in here. Let us save this and let us run this. So in terminal it says enter the number. I'm going to enter -69. If I hit the enter key, it says -69 is a negative number. I will run it one more time, and this time I'm going to enter 69 and it says it is a positive number. I will run it one more time, and this time I will enter 0 and it says 0 is 0. So we can see that the program is working properly. So this is it for this particular video. Thank you for watching. If you like it, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials, subscribe to the channel.